everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with some soap stories, and today I'm talking about the river. The storyline guys, or the story really took an unexpected 10. We were hoping ukuthi Zweli or a character Zweli would be killed off after Umabutho emlimazile ikhanda, but he recovered very fast and quick guys. Within a minute uZweli besebuyele kwi normal life. Asazi kwenzeke njani, uphuma esibhedlela namhlanje, the following day usejaha igebengu, the following day you know. So guys, yeah, it really took an unexpected 10. Guys, uZweli is leaving the show ngoba he feels like character yake is not growing and there is no creativity in his storyline beside being Lindiwe's stupid husband. So guys, his exit storyline for me was very weak, but what can we say? Ama writers, they know what they are doing. What happened ukuthi uZweli caught Lindiwe red-handed taking umthetho ezandleni zakhe, trying to kill Umabutho because Umabutho ulimaza uZweli and he also killed his favorite Zulani. Guys, he didn't take that very well. What Lindiwe is evil. He tried to kill her, but why cause futhi wathi no angikwazi ukubulala, and he made a conscious decision yokuthi adivorce uLindiwe and leave her with everything. Washi umuzi, washi imoto, and wahamba noNomonde, washiya ke uLindiwe noAndile. He didn't even wait for Zulani's funeral, and that was the end of Lindiwe and Lala #uZwelethu. Well guys, njengoba ke bengayibulalanga i-character kaZweli, there is a huge possibility ukuthi abuye babe i-happy family again no Lala, and we are hoping by that time guys babe sebeyishintshile ke le character abamenza khona indoda eyisiyoyo, bazobe sebemenze mhlambe a real man, like indoda yangempela. Maybe noLindiwe lawe beseshintshile esomama umfundisi, we don't know guys. Yeah, but yeah, that how he left the river. Guys, that's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and share your opinion nge exit storyline kaZweli. Wilindele noma na ubuyitshela ukuthi uzoshona esibhedlela ngesikhathi eshawe khona Umabutho. Bye.